just bought a brand new Honda CRF300L and you don't have anywhere to put your camping gear or gas tanks or anything, well, we're gonna fix that today in this video with a luggage rack from Yamato. We're gonna put this on my bike. On the rear portion of the motorcycle, we've got these fasteners, 2 on each side. They're 6mm, and we're going to remove all of them. So now that we have the stock hardware removed from the bike, let's take a look at the hardware that you get with the Yamato kit. So this longer fastener with the longer spacer is going to go in towards the headlight, and the shorter fastener with the shorter spacer is going to go towards the exhaust. Go ahead and grab your rack, your spacer, and your fastener. Let's see if that's lined up. Sometimes the seat will scoot up a little, so just make sure you check it before you put it on. But we got our spacer here, our fastener and washer. I'm gonna slide that through. Might have to press down on the seat a little bit to get that to line up. And then for now, I'm just gonna hand start these. So they're both hand start. I'm gonna leave them loose and we're gonna take a look at the rear. On the rear of the motorcycle, of course, you got your tiny spacer. Line that up. Insert your fastener and washer. Give that a couple turns. Same story on the other side. I'm gonna run all these fasteners in, but I'm not gonna torque on them until I have all of them sitting flush. Unfortunately, I don't have any torque specifications for you guys, but these are some chunky bolts, you know, put a decent amount of torque on them. They're gonna be carrying stuff, but let's get them tightened up. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Another easy install on the Honda CRF300L. I was actually thinking about this. It's a very good bike for beginners in general, but it's a good bike for people who are new to working on bikes too. Everything comes off really easy. It's, you know, a couple bolts and you're there. It's not hard to maintain this bike. So if you're looking into this motorcycle and you're new to motorcycles at all, don't be intimidated to work on this bike. It's very simple. You can learn a lot on this bike. For me, it's just been very simple to just throw parts at it, which has been really fun. But yeah, now I got a luggage rack. I'm excited. The luggage rack, the luggage rack itself is pretty high quality. The finish is really nice. I like the more utilitarian look of this style of rack compared to others. I like that it's a flat surface that I can place things on. Overall, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it, and I hope you guys check it out on Bikerzbits.com. I'll put a link for it. But yeah, if you like the content, please consider subscribing. And as always, ride fast, ride naked, wear your helmet, and I'll see you in the next video.